Today's video is Senatobia Police release video of woman's arrest in Walmart handicap parking spot on Mother's Day. Why is that? Never mind.
I was just checking the placard. I'm seeing whose name it was in and if you were the owner of the placard.
My grandmother, she went in the store.
She went in the store?
Yes, ma'am. I had dropped off. She went in the store, but I can move. I can move.
How'd you drop her off?
I just moved.
Yep. Okay. I need you to see your ID.
What do you mean? How'd she drop off?
I need your ID, please.
She got out the car and walked in.
Because you're parking in a handicap and you're not allowed to park here.
Yes, ma'am, but I just said I was going to move. My grandmother, she's handicapped. She's in the store.
Did she come out of this vehicle?
I dropped her off at the other end.
Did she come out of this vehicle?
I dropped her off
Did
at
she
the
come
other
out of
end.
this vehicle?
If she dropped her off, that means
your
yes,
ID,
she
please.
came out of a
I
vehicle.
haven't done nothing, ma'am.
No, you're parking into a handicap a vehicle or a
I
parking
know, but
spot using someone else's.
My grandmother is handicapped. I dropped her off in the store,
How
but
did she get
but I
up
just-
here with all this stuff in here?
I just moved.
Okay, I need your ID, please.
I haven't done anything.
You're violating handicap parking violation. Can I see your ID, please?
This must be an extra job or
You
something.
have, and I'm requesting your ID, and if I don't get it, I will arrest you. It's just simple. And then your children are not properly in their
She's parked.
buckled in their
You
seat.
better unbuckle them. You just sit up here finding a reason to fuck with me.
She didn't unbuckle them.
I unbuckled them. I was getting ready to get out the damn car.
And you just not parked. I came up right behind you as soon as you parked. You did not turn around and unbuckle them.
Oh, never mind
I
then.
did. You wasn't here. You know what I'm saying, bro? I can get this move.
First, you're lying to me. You're refusing to identify yourself. The children aren't
I want a supervisor or something because you feeling real hostile and shit. I need you to get a supervisor because you sitting up here fucking with me for no motherfucking reason.
There's no need.
I need a supervisor.
Y'all
You
both
mess with me
getting
for
too
no reason,
hostile.
and I told you I will move.
No, it's just not that.
Yeah, you mess with me for no reason. I got my kids in here. I do not feel safe with you doing this.
And you're escalating this. You're doing this.
Come on, man. Come on. Do what you gotta do.
Step out here, please. Step out of here.
You can get somebody else here.
Get out of the vehicle now before I make you get out of here. Do you want to do this in front of your children or not?
You said you answered my ID. I just gave you an ID, bro.
Aisle 4, Walmart aisle 4. Get out of the vehicle now or I will make you get out.
This is about to escalate.
Why you grabbing me? Why you grabbing me?
I have one resistance.
Why you grabbing me, bro?
She told you to step out of the vehicle.
Get out of the fucking vehicle now.
Oh, wow.
Get out now.
Hands on me. And if you
Get to the back of the vehicle now.
No, she just grabbed me.
to the back of the
She
vehicle.
just grabbed me.
Because you're refusing to obey lawful commands.
So now you care about your children being... Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. It is no way she's hurting you. If putting your hand behind your back, it hurts you, you need to go get treatment.
Now
Oh my God. She is. Like, usually when somebody has like an injury, they let the officer know, hey, I got this problem, my shoulder problem, leg problem. She ain't say nothing about that. So I don't know if she really hurt her.
I didn't escalate this man. She did. I did not.
And you see how people drive up and they automatically take the suspect's side? It's because she's a white officer and the suspect is black. Like, they just automatically take the suspect's side.
Sergeant is on the way. Give me another officer. I have 2 officers on the way. Give me your arm.
She twisted my arm. Y'all help me, please. She twist me. Please help me.
See, now they making up stuff. She ain't say that. She ain't say nothing like that. She only cursed one time, which she might get written up for that.
Come on, get up.
My kids is in my car.
Come on, get up. What in custody?
Oh my gosh, so dramatic. Yeah, where is her mother at? It's crazy how people just automatically take the suspect's side. It's crazy. The officer is always look like they making her out to be the criminal.
My sergeant's here now, ma'am. You can talk to him. Roll over here. This side.
Breathe. Are you okay? Okay. Are you all right? Breathe. Listen to me.
I told her I was gonna move. I told her I was sorry and I said I was gonna move. My grandmama was
Okay. You all right?
stepped on me.
Okay. Can I help you stand up?
No tears.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. Can I help you stand
I
up?
gave her
Okay.
my ID and she still pulled me out the car.
All right. We'll get that straightened out, but I need to help you stand up. What I want you to do.
I can't stand up.
Listen.
Please get her away from me.
Take a break.
Please get her away from me.
So dramatic. Oh my God.
Put this foot behind your knee and get on this knee so I can help you stand up. Okay? There you go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay, breathe. You're all right. What's your name, ma'am?
It's on the ID.
Okay, I'm Sergeant Dover, okay? I guess you do me a favor and come over here and let you have a seat in my car. Keep breathing. I'm going to get past the pin check you out. Make sure you're okay, all right? All right? Come on over here to my car, okay? Good.
Look at everybody.
That's 11 Mississippi, yeah.
They both escalated this situation.
802-944-083. 802-944-083. Councilman Fox.
This has to be an EJ for her. I don't see an officer riding around Walmart just to get people in a handicap spot. I wonder what police department this is.
That's all I need to know. Okay, because I kind of heard it, and I wanted to make sure you had that on.
I appreciate it, for sure. And I think that should be sufficient that you wouldn't mind. You could always call back up there and just give a verbal statement or something. So.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. They both escalated this situation. It was, I just don't see an officer in patrol on public streets going to Walmart just to get somebody in a handicap spot. It had to be way more to that. But they both escalated that situation. Like, yeah. The girl could have, like, police departments that got so much more to deal with. They're not going into Walmart just to get somebody in a handicap spot. If so, they most likely just gonna let you go because they got too much to worry about, too much to focus on. And then her, like, just give an ID. Like, if she give you a ticket, just take the ticket to court. They probably just gonna throw it out. Just give the judge some type of excuse, and they throw that stuff out. You know the officer ain't finna show up to court. Easy.